styling. Look at this guy. He's styling.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Huh?
Finally styling, right?
I like it.
Rick's in style.
I want that in the garage along with Ruby and Jules.
Yeah, she wants all Tesla.
Well, I want an older Model S to tool around in when I'm in the mood. Yeah.
Get a better than AP1, right?
Right. I was going to say, are we sure this isn't like one I might have driven as a loaner car at one point?
I don't know of its origins, to be honest with you.
But he said that's his ride now.
Way cool. So I'm looking for the wrong vehicle in town, but no logo on it anywhere. No.
On this guy.
Do we have tools in the back? Has it been modified?
We do. It's been modified. It's not as clean as one would hope, but
Well, we won't over scrutinize a working guy's work area.
right.
When you're working, you have to have
organized chaos. Yeah.
Wow. So
Wow.
it does slide out and everything.
It does, yeah. Both drawers, storage underneath everything.
Uh-huh.
Everything the van had, I have in this,
really,
except just
except the
additional room and
canopy.
additional-
A canopy.
Lots of extra room, right? You don't have you know, you got with the room you got.
Way cool.
Absolutely.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally cool.
That was funny.
About a month now, I guess.
Don was warning poor Rick that I hadn't had much coffee yet.
Right.
I'm
I
not.
was going to offer you. We have the.
I want my second cup right.
Okay, well we have the pod, so you know, you can make your own coffee pod.
Absolutely. That'd be great.
We're talking about all the things you would expect us to be talking about.
So anyway,
So Rick says Dent Works in Raleigh. Talk to Brian. He's the guy that runs the shop. Tesla uses them all the time, and we're gonna go that route. Rick is very carefully testing with a magnet, and we have determined that the passenger drawer is aluminum. Well, I tried to never film anything that's going to get Rick in trouble when he's here, but he did just tell us that the X and the X, you know, if you go out and you read online, the window calibration, you actually can do it yourself, but with the Y, not so much. So,
yeah, the real calibration.
the real calibration.
You can do the one where you feel fine and fun. It makes you give you a warm fuzz.
Right, warm fuzzy, you actually did something. Are you here helping with the repair too?
Switches like I have for everything.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Good boy. Here goes people's talking. I got to come and see what's going on. Going on with the pretty Teslas this morning.
They have that
Literally like right here. Yeah.
But I could pull on something.
Mm-hmm.
You just got to pull like crazy on it.
Yeah.
And those crack sounds, those are normal, but the crack sounds is actually the clip's letting go, and it's like God, could just as well be snapping in two. It's not a. So the price was right.
There's the glass. Wow. Wow, wow. I guess Tux isn't scared because it's like just another Tesla in the driveway. Hey, buddy. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Sign of a single.
This is the
trail.
latch piece,
Yeah.
and the guys really aren't thinking it was water related now. It just was maybe coincidence that it happened.
Welcome to my world.
Well, it doesn't matter one way or the other. It happened, and we needed to address it. But yeah, we're not. They don't see where there was water inside the door in any way. So
Yeah. Yeah, but I think it's. Well, listen to me. I don't know, but based on the jiggling of the latch and everything, I think it was the latch more so than the window.
I mean, when you said that, it kind of made me happy.
Yeah.
Because it literally took almost all the doubt out of this situation.
That's right. I would, you know.
So we're replacing the latch and
Yeah.
hoping to not see the failure again, and I'm good with. We're good with that.
Well, again, my jiggling of the thing when I was able to make the window go up and down, that makes me feel. The other thing
The window came out. The window's going back in. So the clips on the door are redesigned from the X to the Y. Like pretty much, you know, Tesla has redesigned all this stuff to be better than ever and less clip breakage possibilities.
These are way better.
Yeah. We definitely saw that Rick. He's even wiping any fingerprints off the glass because he's such a great service guy. I love Rick. He just does the best. He does.
Just for fun. So
it's going to recalibrate the windows.
Yeah, I understand.
He's calibrating them one at a time, so it goes up, down, you know, does its little thing. If you're gonna
it goes down faster than it goes up, which I think it makes sense.
So we're actually missing this rubber grommet here, and we hadn't even noticed it, and Rick noticed it, and being the kind of service guy he is, he's gonna order one and drop by and just stick it in one day, because that's the kind of service that he does. But we, you know, we didn't even know it was missing.
All right,
sir.
Bye, Rick.
Take it easy.
Yeah, love that ass, buddy. Woo. Yeah, styling. It's so quiet. Yeah, you always take that driveway, especially when you're not familiar with it, slow.
Just out getting a little bit of sunshine and fresh air in Ruby. It's such a glorious day. Just playing my pogo and going for a little drive. Don's getting ready to clean the boardwalk so that we can stain it here while we've got several days of dry air, and I'm not staying out too long. I'm headed back to the house. I don't know what kind of support I can provide today, but you know, I want to be there to help him out in any way that I can. So Don's running me an extension cord under the boardwalk. His idea, yeah. Great idea. I can put an inflatable on this side. Used to be we couldn't do that because we would have tripped running the cord across. We would have had to gone and bought one of those flat cord doorway holder things or something. But now that we got the boardwalk there, there's no reason why we can't have a cord running across. So I probably will add. I have one more ghost upstairs. I went down the edge with scissors and hand pulled and cut and trimmed so we don't have plants in our way. Don, as you can see, is applying a cleaner. This is not something you do with the power washer. You just put it on, let it sit for what, 15 minutes? 15 minutes. And then rinse it off. So that's what we're doing. We're probably gonna stain Wednesday. You're supposed to let it dry for 24 hours, and it's going on 5 o'clock, so it's a little too late to wait until, you know, 6 o'clock tomorrow to start staining. But you can see it's going good. And we did finish rerouting cords and stuff and got everything turned back on, and we're probably going to move that light to the other side of the boardwalk, but not until we're done staining the boardwalk. We'll probably put it over here. And you, young man, have to stay out of the way right now. So this is Don's third pass, because if you're going to haul out everything, you might as well really make sure you got it. Mostly this stuff was supposed to take off the printed numbers. Yeah. And we were pretty careful about not leaving them in bad spots when we thought about putting the deck wood down, but
yeah, I have to say they weathered really well. They didn't come on the whole summer of rain and wet and walking on them. The numbers right in the middle of the front step up there, and right in the
still middle. There even after the formula, huh?
I haven't rinsed, and it might be the rinsing
action,
and it also chemical reaction that causes a fade to occur. You know, once it you know, oxidizes.
Sure.
Oxidizes the ink versus cleans the ink. I don't know.
It's chicken wing night at the Miller house. My boys will be happy with me. So I had some Lego parts show up today, and I've got the roof on the tower part finished except for cone that goes on top, and I need the same matching cone in these two spots also. And then I like putting the roof line together. I pulled parts for that today, and I have the hinge pieces, the right hinge pieces now. So tomorrow I'll do that. I don't have the mental energy to deal with that tonight because it's kind of tricky, but I will get her done.